so she calls him up. When it ring-a-ling, ain't only name a thing. Dial that number, no one answers till it's 2 o'clock.